I'm Dish Connection Agosha.
And I'm Aaron Pakanpan.
We will discuss all about media for visual aids. Media for visual aids help us to develop effective presentations. Media for visual aids is used in preparing lessons and reports. Um, Here in MCL, we have a good facilities and we use media to present lessons and reports to better understand the students.
Types of media for visual aids. Here in Malayan, Malayan use here now the modern ways on how to present the visual aids. For example, the LCD screens and projectors. Um, Now, when here in Malayan, it is easier. They are they the professors now present their visual aids more easier because of the modern modern way to present their topics. Before, before when the school is not yet has not have modern technology, the visual aids that they use to present their topics sometimes are used mostly of Manila papers, illustrations, and drawings. Sometimes they use DVD players to present videos because before schools have not have internet, but it's more easier to show and present what they want to present to their class.
There are advantages of using media for visual aids. It can strengthen the clarity of the speaker's message, enhance the enhance the speaker's credibility, and can improve the speaker's point of view. Good design of media and good design of media attracts the audience to listen and, and good design of media attracts the listeners. It is more easy to use when using media because there are many technologies that are invented. There are tips on how to present media for visual aids. First, talk to audience not in visual aids because there are people reading their visual aids until the end without an explanation. And if you want to have a good presentation, you must explain the topic good and concise.
Media for visual aids is very important to us, especially for academic purpose, because vi- visual aids media helps the speaker to present clearly their topic to their class, and it is more easy to let the students gain interest about their topic and to have more knowledge to 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 have more knowledge to help them understand what the speaker or their professors want to tell about their topic. And again, I'm Aaron Baonzo.
And then this connection negosyo. Thank you.